How to fix TikTok loading slowly. So first is to ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or data connection or your cell signal is stable, as this may be the reason why your TikTok videos are loading slowly. So if you have ensured that this is not the problem, then what you can do is to head over to the Play Store application and then type in TikTok. So if you see an update option, tap that option for the application to start updating. After it has been updated, you can now open the application and see if the issue has been fixed. So if not, go to any of the browsing application that you have and then search for Down Detector. Tap the first result and you will be directed to this page. So if you see the TikTok application in this page, it is probably that their system is down. And so what you can do is to wait. But if TikTok is not down, then what you can do is to restart your phone. Then try opening the app and see if the issue has been fixed. And so those are the ways on how to fix TikTok loading slowly. Thank you and have a great day.